Snip, snip, snip. We can always perfect our work once we're done, okay? No, you're doing a great job. I can see you following along.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So, kamusta na kayo mga sis? I hope okay kayong lahat dyan. For today's video, I will cut my own bangs. Yes po, medyo naboboring ako today mga sis, kaya pagtripan natin yung aking bangs. And dahil hindi naman ako expert pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay, syempre naghanap ako ng tutorial sa YouTube and ipa-follow ko yung tutorial ni Mondo. So, isa siyang New York-based hairstylist and social media influencer. Gumagawa siya ng mga hair tutorial. Kung gusto niyo siyang i-follow, ilalagay ko yung link niya sa description box below. Yung gusto ko sanang style ng bangs is yung katulad nung kay Ligi. Siya yung gumanap na Shim Suryon sa Penthouse, and yung tawag dun sa ganung klaseng bangs is curtain bangs na usong-uso ngayon. So kung mahilig kang manood ng K-drama kagaya ko, I'm sure madalas mo makita yung ganitong klaseng bangs. So let's start, and sana hindi maging epic failed ang bangs na ito, pero kung maging failed naman siya is okay lang din, hahaba pa naman ulit siya. Ang importante na try ko, 'di ba? Sabi nga, YOLO, you only live once. Kaya kung gusto mong gupitin yung bangs mo sis, go lang. Gupitin mo lang siya, carry lang yan, YOLO. Good thing, andyan si Mondo para i-guide tayo sa ating DIY bangs. So, ipi-play ko na yung video niya dito sa cellphone ko, and habang nagpi-play siya, gagawin ko na din yung mga instructions na tinuturo niya. So, lagay natin siya dito.
So step 1 is gonna be to have wet hair. You're gonna want that to not be dry. So I'm gonna just dampen up this front section with some water. Is it water or is it alcohol? You'll never know. We are gonna comb our hair in front of our face just like this. The next step is to do a middle part. Everybody loves a good middle part these days. We all know those are also very trendy. Apparently, if you do a side part, you're ugly. I mean, I do enjoy a good middle part, I do, but you know, sometimes side parts can look fun and cute. We're parted in the middle. We're gonna take the bangs back about 2 or 3 inches, up to you, depending on how thick you want them, and depending on how thin your hair is naturally. I'm gonna go about 2 inches back, and I am going to take these down to about the end of her eyebrow. Depending on your face shape, that might be the middle of your eyebrow, might be the end of your eyebrow. If I only went to the middle of her eyebrow, it'd be a very thin bang, okay? That's fine. If you want a very thin one, go for it. So you should have this little triangle section right here. And we're gonna clip the rest of the hair out of the way, just like that. All right, or you can just take up all the hair into a ponytail, that's also fine. We are gonna comb this section nicely, okay? Really, really nicely. Get all those tangles out. Make sure it's still wet. We are actually gonna take this entire section in one. Now, normally I wouldn't do that, but we're trying to make this easy for you guys, okay? Then you're gonna decide what length you want to cut. Normally I like to go right under the cheekbones for the curtain bangs. That's usually a good height to start with. You can always go shorter, you can't go longer, all right? So I'm gonna start off a little bit longer than that, maybe right at the nose, and I am going to cut things. I'm just gonna face my girl towards me, and I'm gonna take a strand from each end and just make sure that they are the same exact length on both sides. They look great, and if they weren't great, we would just do a little snip, snip, snip. We can always perfect our work once we're done, okay? Now you're doing a great job. I can see you following along, and I am so damn proud of you. You did it. You did your first snip. This is gonna be a home run. okay, for both of us. It's gonna look beautiful. All right, so now we have our bangs. Oh, she's already looking banging. We are gonna add a little bevel. You see how it's so straight? It's like, girl, you got a ledge. I hate ledges. I don't wanna stand next to them. I'm scared of heights. I don't want them in my hairstyles. I don't wanna cut them like that. So we're gonna part the hair. Then we're gonna over direct the hair across the other side, opposite of where the part is. We're also gonna make sure our fingers are parallel to the section up here. So now you're getting this moment. Let me show you that again. Pick up the hair, I comb it parallel to the parting, and then I hold my fingers parallel to the parting. So you're gonna get something like that, where it goes from short to long. And now all we have to do is cut off those longer pieces. So now when we let go, we're gonna get a beautiful angle.
Nice.
Now that we have that part done, the biggest, most dramatic part of all, I am now gonna just blow dry her hair for you, get it all nice and cute, and then we're gonna go in and detail the bang. Okay, and it should look something like this. It's not too beveled, but it's a little bit. We're not getting like a ton of height up there, which is good. All right, you can brush or comb the bangs back and then part them in the middle. Okay, so here is our curtain bangs so far. They're looking cute, but they're not quite right. It's looking very heavy and very disconnected. What we're gonna do is section out those bangs again, and we are gonna take these, bring them all the way up to the top of our heads, and now just be careful and cut into the hair. This will slightly give you some separation on the ends of your hair, but again, just be careful, don't cut yourself, go slow, and just do it little by little. All right, now for the finishing touches. You're doing so great. We're gonna let down the rest of the hair. Part off about a ½ inch of hair. I like to blend my hair in with the rest, so I'm just gonna take it like that and just follow the end of the fringe down to the bottom of her hair, just giving her that little bit of connection right there in the front. So that's the look. Thank you, Miss Mannequin. I love ya. You look fabulous. I hope you like your new bang.
So ayan na siya mga sis. So far, I like it. Achieve na achieve yung curtain bangs. So hindi ko masyadong kinapalan yung kuha do sa bangs ko kasi manipis lang yung hair ko. Ang galing ng tutorial ni Brad Mondo. Oh. Achieve na achieve talaga. I like it. Pero hindi pa ito yung mismong look na gusto kong ma-achieve dahil si Ligia ay merong bangs dito sa harapan. So, kukuha pa ako ng konting buhok and gugupitin ko siya. So, okay na siguro yung mga ganito lang kadami na hair. Ito talaga yung nakakakabay kasi baka mapaikli yung gupit ko. Charan! Ayan. So, babawasan ko pa siya ng konti kasi natutusok pa yung mata ko. Konti-konti lang, sis. Baka mapaigli. Siya mga sis, konti-konti lang yung paggupit ko dito sa part na to kasi baka mapaigsi siya. Ang kagandahan lang kapag na-practice natin itong paggawa ng DIY bangs, syempre mabilis siyang humaba. So, kaya natin mag-trim kahit nasa bahay lang tayo and hindi na natin kailangan pumunta sa mga salon, di ba? Malaki yung matitibid natin. So, eto na mga sis ang final look ng aking Ligia inspired bangs and sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!